Good morning, everyone, and a warm welcome to this webinar on how to set up the global investing account. So my name is Saju from HDFC Securities. I'll run you through the process of setting up the global investing account, and it is a very easy steps that we need to follow to open up this account. So I'll just put my camera off so that we can have the presentation on the full screen. Yeah. So let's look at what is this global investing all about. So global investing, through this platform you'll be able to make direct investments in the US stock market, basically in the New York stock market and New York Stock Exchange and Nasdaq. So we have close to 3500 securities on this platform from both the exchanges, wherein you can make direct investments. So this includes stocks and ETFs. Then the second key point is that's free account opening, and the brokerage is as low as 1%. And this account that we open up, the global investing account that we open up, this account is protected by a $500,000 insurance under SIPC. So let's look at the process of opening up the global investing account online. Now, this is a fully digital account that you'll be opening up, so you don't have to send any documents anywhere. You can just log on to hdfcsec.com/global investing, right, and follow the steps to open up the account. So you just have to upload the documents. You don't need to send any documents anywhere. So the first step that you need to do is log on to hdfcsec.com/global investing. Then once you log on to this is the screen that you get. You need to click on open an account. Okay, now once you click on open an account, these are the three details that you need to put in: your email ID, your mobile number, and the captcha. So you have to mention the email ID that you want to register with global investing, so that all the contract notes you'll be getting, and all the communication you'll be getting on this email ID. Then the mobile number that you want to register on this with this platform, and then last one is the captcha. So once you put in the captcha, you need to click on the proceed to sign up. So once you fill in all the details, this will be highlighted and you just need to click on proceed to sign up. So once you click on proceed to sign up, this is the next screen that you'll see. So for few people, once you put in your email ID, your register number, you put in the captcha, again you might be routed to the same page. So I request you to again put in the same details. Now after putting the details, this is the page that you'll see. So over here, as you see that we just need to put in the basic details: your first name, your middle name, your last name, email ID that you have already put. It has to be the same one. Then you have an option to select your username, right? You can either select your username or you can keep your email ID as the username so that we don't forget it, right? Then your mobile number, the one that you have put in. The referral code is your relationship manager's employee code, basically. So you can put in his code over here. Then you can set your password and confirm it, right? So once you confirm the password, the next thing you need to do is you just need to click on create account, right? So once you click on create account, this is the next screen that you come across. That is, it will ask you to choose a plan, right? So we have three plans available for our customers, right? To onboard our customers, we have got three plans. To start with, we have a basic plan. So there is no account opening fee. There is no annual subscription fee in this plan. The brokerage or the commission is $2.99 per trade, up to 299 shares. If it exceeds that limit in a single trade, then 1 cent additional would be charged per share. So this simply means that you buy any quantity between 1 share to 299 shares, you will be charged $2.99. If you exceed that 299 shares limit, then 1 cent additional would be charged. Okay, the brokerage is not on the transactional value, it is going to be on the quantity of these shares. So in this case, in the basic plan, it is on the trade. As I said that in a single trade, you'll be charged $2.99 up to 299 shares. If you exceed that limit, then 1 cent additional would be charged. The second plan that we have is the silver plan, wherein the annual subscription fee is 3,999 rupees. There is no account opening fee, and the brokerage that will be charged is 99 cent per trade up to 99 shares. If if you buy in one single trade up to 99 shares, you'll be charged 99 cents. If that limit is exceeded, then 1 cent additional would be charged per share. So as basic, in this, the basic calculation is that you buy any quantity from 1 share to 99 shares, you'll be charged 99 cent. If you exceed that limit, then 1 cent additional would be charged, right? Then we have the premium plan, which is the gold plan, wherein the annual subscription fee is 13,999 rupees. There is no account opening fee, and apart from that, as you see that the brokerage is the lowest in this plan, which is 1 cent per share. So unlike the previous two plan, wherein we were charging, the brokerage was charged on uh, trade wise, over here it is 1 cent per share. So in a single trade, if you buy one share, you'll be charged 1 cent, right? If you buy 10 shares, it will be 10 cent. You buy 100 shares, it will be $1. So it is on the quantity of the shares that you buy, it is not on the transactional value. So normally in the Indian market, it is on the transactional value, but on this global investing platform, it is on the uh, quantity, and you will be charged the commission or the brokerage on the buy side as well as on the sell side. So now once you select on any of the plan, you just need to click on it and then click on make payment, right? So even if you're opting out for basic plan, just click on it and click on make payment, right? The next screen, if you select any of the paid subscription plan, then once you click on make payment, you'll be routed to make the payment on the net banking, or you can make the payment through a debit card or credit card. That's absolutely fine. For basic plan, you'll be routed to a different page, which is the next page. This is the page that you'll be routed to, right? So over here you can see again, it is asking you for all the basic details only, which is your date of birth, the phone number, the address. Now the address, we have to be very sure, because this account is verified by a US broker. So it becomes very important that we mention the address as it is on the address proof that we are going to upload. So it has to be word to word, as it is on the address proof. So later slide, I'll let what are the documents that you can upload as an address proof. So address line, you can mention half the address, and in address line 2 you can mention the other half. Then the postal code is compulsory. Country will be India, state, city. You can fill in the details. Citizen India, PAN card. Then you have to select the risk tolerance level, right? This is the next screen that you'll see, risk tolerance level. You can select accordingly your employment status, investment objective, experience. So most of all these boxes have the drop down option. You just need to select one of them. Then moving on to the next. Okay, right. So the next one is, it will ask you, whether you are a director or officer of a public company. You have to mention it. Politically exposed, yes, no. Is your employer a brokerage firm? Yes, no. Then click on I agree to the disclosure. I agree to Stockholm terms and conditions. Now once you click on I agree, then you have to click on next. So once you click on next, right, this is the screen that you will see, which is to upload your documents. Right now, let's look at the documents that is required to open up the account. So just scroll down. All right, so here you can see the documents that is required. So for Indian residents, PAN card is compulsory, right? And for that, you can use it for ID proof, and for address proof, you can use Aadhaar card or any other utility bill can be uploaded as an address proof. Now this documents that you're going to upload it has to be a color copy only, right? And for NRIs, again, you can see the documents that are required to uh, open up the account, PAN card or other card as an ID proof, then any local address proof uh, that you can upload it for the as an address proof, any local utility bill. So okay, this is the screen that you'll see. So you just need to click on PAN card, upload your PAN card over there, right? Then click on address proof, then upload either Aadhaar card or any other utility bill that you want to submit as an address proof. So anyone who is uploading the Aadhaar card, we need to make sure that if you're uploading the smart card, wherein you have your photo and your name, and on the back side you have your address. If you're going to upload that, we need to make sure that on the back side we have the Aadhaar number mentioned. So in case in a lot of series of Aadhaar card, we have seen that the uh, on the back side wherein we have the address mentioned, the Aadhaar number is not there. So in that case, the account gets rejected. So if you don't have the Aadhaar number on the backside, I would suggest you to upload your electricity bill or any other utility bill. It has to be a colored copy only, right? As an address proof. So once you upload it, you just need to click on upload. And once you click on upload, this is the screen that you will see that thanks, your document has been uploaded and the account is sent for approval. This would normally take 2 to 3 business days, right? So it normally takes 2 to 3 business days for your account, to get verified and get it approved. And as soon as your account is approved, you can start funding the account and start your trading. Now, in case the account gets rejected, you get an email that the account has got been rejected, and you get the reason why it has been rejected. So just in case if it has been rejected for address proof, you need to make sure that the uh, if you are going to upload any other address proof, you need to make sure that the address that you had mentioned on your profile page matches with the new address proof that you have put in. And all, as I'm again and again saying, all the document needs to be color copy. Even if it's a PAN card, a old PAN card is black and white one, I would request that in case you have a black and white PAN card, please apply for a colored one, right? Because only color copy is accepted, because this account is verified by a US broker according to their compliance, and it is necessary to have a color copy only. Now once this is done, this is the screen that you get to see when you click on continue. That is, your account status is pending. Once it is approved, then this pending will go off, okay, and you will see that your account is active, so that you can fund the account and you can start the trading, right? So you have seen that it is very simple to open up the global investing account, right? It did not take, it will not take more than 10 to 15 minutes if you have all the documents handy on your laptop or on your desktop, right? Before opening up the account, just get your documents on your laptop or your desktop. Go on hdfcsecurities.com/global investing, or else you can go on the homepage of HDFC Securities. You have an option that says invest in US stocks. Just click on it. It will route you to the same page. Click on open an account and just follow the steps. You just need to go through 3 or 4 screens to complete the account opening process of global investing. Now once this account is active, you get access to the 3500 securities that are available on this platform, and you can start the trading, right? So this is all about how you can open up the global investing account. So we'll open up the floor for any questions that anyone has. You can please go ahead and ask it. So you have a question mark icon right at the top. You can just click on it and ask your question. So the first question is from Gagan. He would like to know that he does not have a last name, so what should he put over there? So what you can do, Gagan, is you can just put in your first name and your middle name, right, instead of the last name. Then we have a question from Himanshu. So he would like to know about the costing. Is 1 cent extra for all on all shares or shares above 299 only? So Himanshu, in the basic plan, right, the additional 1 cent that would be charged is above 299. So for example, you buy any quantity between 1 to 299 shares, you'll be charged $2.99. Any additional share that you buy, you'll be charged 1 cent only on that share, not on the complete 299 or the complete quantity. Okay? So Aziz would like to know who is the US broker. So the US broker through whose platform the trades will be executed is Drive Wealth. So Drive Wealth is a registered broker with SEC and FINRA. So SEC is similar to SEBI in India, and they are into this business since last 10 years. And then we have a question from Pia that he would like. So the question is, my Aadhaar card address is different from my current address as we are living somewhere else. So in this case, you can upload any of your utility bill wherein you have your current address on it. So Vivek Soni would like to know what is the limit to make the investment. So in this global investing, that is, in your US investment, under the it is done under the LRS scheme. So under the LRS scheme, you can transfer 250,000 US dollars in one financial year. So that is the maximum limit. Vivek Soni would like to know that is this account linked to Indian depository? No, sir, this is not linked to any Indian depository. And this global investing account that is there, it will not be linked with your HDFC demat account or your HDFC bank account. This is altogether different account, a different platform through which you'll be able to make investments only in the US market as of now. Then we have a question from Abdul. He had a global investing account which got expired 2 months back. So, Mr. Abdul, you can definitely log into your account and just renew the service. So you just need to log on to your global investing account, go on the profile page. Once you click on profile, you'll have that option to renew the services. Just click on renew and it will be active. Vikalp would like to know, can we hold it for long term? Yes, sir. Sure, you can hold your investments for long term on this platform. So Pawan would like to know, can he change the plan after he opens up the account? So we are very flexible when it comes to the uh, you know subscription plans that we have to onboard our customers. So initially, if you want to start with the basic plan and then upgrade your services, you can definitely do that at any point of time. You can upgrade the services. So you have started with basic, you move on to, you see that you're trading heavily and you want to move on to the silver plan to get a better brokerage. You can definitely upgrade it to the silver plan. After you upgrade the silver plan, 3 months down the line, you would like to upgrade your service again to get a better commission or the brokerage, then you can upgrade the service to gold plan, and that will be done on the prorated basis. So that way we are very flexible when it comes to the subscription plan. So we cannot apply for any IPOs in the US through this account. So this is through this account, it will be only cash investment in the cash market. So FNO futures and options are also not available, and there is no margin. So Nikhil would like to know, how does an INR to dollar conversion work through this platform? So Nikhil, when you transfer the funds, it has to be done through your net banking, or if you have an HDFC bank account, now it is possible to do online. So remittance needs to be done to fund this account. So the INR gets converted to dollar. So Vivek, Sony would again like to know any setup cost. So whatever is the cost we have already shared, Vivek, it's very simple. It is based on the subscription plan that you opt for. That is the only cost that you'll have. So if you want to open up a basic plan, there is no cost that you have to pay for it. So Mr. Patel would like to know that, can NRI open this account? Yes, NRIs can open this global investing account. However, the pricing plan for NRI customers are different, right? However, the process remains the same. They need to put in their email ID, their local uh, mobile number, then put in the capture, and then they would get to see the NRI pricing. And yes, they can also start investing in the US market through the global investing platform. So Atul would like to know, is there any other market where he can trade apart from the US on this platform? So Atul, as of now, only US market you'll be able to trade from this platform. So Sanjay would like to know any stock recommendation, uh, you know, for the US market. So as per the guidelines laid down, right, there is no recommendation that we can give on which stocks to invest in. However, we have a feature on this platform which is tax. So which is nothing but a curated portfolio designed by experts, based on a particular theme or sector, wherein, in case you are, new uh, to the US market, and you find it difficult to pick up a single stock and make the investment, you can look at the feature that we have, which is stacks, and accordingly make your investment. So we have stacks with, the stacks. We have different stacks, like stacks. There is a curated portfolio regarding electric vehicle. Then we have a portfolio with you know, which is regarding the US tech giant companies, blue chip companies, global ETFs, right? So that we have six stacks available on this platform in which you can make the investments. So Sanjeev would like to know how we get the contract uh, notes. So as soon as the trades are executed, you get the contract note on your registered mail ID. As soon as it gets triggered, immediately you get the contract note. So Vikalp would like to know again, whether he can hold on the stocks for a long term. Yes, you can hold on the stocks for a long term on this platform. So Pia would like to know that the address proof that she has got is in her father's name. So Pia, you will not be able to use that as an address proof. You need to make sure that you upload an address proof wherein your name is there on it. So any bank statement you have, you can upload that as well. So you can upload 3 months latest bank statement as an address proof. That's also fine. So then we have a question from Matul. He would like to know, once this account is opened, is active, can he just transfer the funds and then buy after a few days? Yes, sure, Atul. It's up to you, right? Once the account is active, you can transfer the funds. You can keep it. You can park the money on this global investing platform. Then you can start your investment. Whenever you want to start it. So Mayuresh would like to know what is the minimum amount of money to start with this global investing. So Mayuresh, you can start your investment on the global investing platform with as low as $50. So the 3,500 stock, the securities which are listed on the platform is from the New York Stock Exchange and Nasdaq. dividends that are received on your investments, the dividend will be received in your global, it will reflect in your global investing account. It will not be credited to your bank account, it will be credited to your global investing account. So to transfer the funds to this global investing account, if you have an HDFC bank account, you can do it online. All you need to do is just log on to your net banking, add a US broker driver as a beneficiary, and once that is done, you can transfer the funds. So all the details with regards to remittance will be available on the global investing account. So once you log in over there, you'll get all the remittance details over there. So whenever you park the funds on this platform, that is on the global investing platform, it is in dollars. So when you transfer the funds, uh, you'll have to remit it from INR. It will be converted to dollar, and the funds that you transfer, it will be in dollar currency on this platform. So we have ETFs on this platform, but we don't have PMS on this platform. So Pia would like to know, is there fractional buying possible? Yes, on this platform, you can buy the stocks in fractions as well. So unlike the Indian market, wherein if you want to make any investments, you have to buy one full share. But in the US market, or you can say on this global investing platform, you can make the investments in fractions also. So you can buy 0.10% of a share as well, or depending upon the uh, investment, the amount that you want to invest. So both the options are available. So one second, before we end this webinar, I would like to just highlight on the subscription plans that we have, because we have been getting a lot of questions with regards to it. So let me just explain it once again. So we have three subscription plans through which we can onboard the customers. The first one is the basic plan, right, wherein there is no subscription fee, there is no account opening fee as well. You can see it's zero, right? And the brokerage that will be charged, right, is $2.99 per trade up to 299 shares. If that limit is exceeded in a single trade, you buy more than 299 quantity, then 1 cent additional would be charged, right, on the additional quantity of the shares that you buy. For example, if you buy 310 shares, you have exceeded the limit by 11 shares in a trade. So 1 cent additional on the 11 shares that you have bought, right? Which is 11 cents. So your total brokerage would be $2.99 plus 11 cents, which is $3.10. So that is basic plan. Then we have the silver plan. Annual subscription fee is 3,999 rupees. There is no account opening fee. Brokerage or the commission per trade is 99 cents up to 99 shares. Beyond that, it 1 cent additional per share. The last plan that we have is the gold plan, wherein the annual subscription fee is 13,999 rupees. There is no account opening fee, and the brokerage that will be charging on this plan is 1 cent per share. So in a trade, you buy 1 share, you will be charged 1 cent. You buy 10 shares, you will be charged 10 cents. You buy 500 shares, you will be charged $5. That's how it works. So we have an exclusive session lined up for tomorrow, wherein we'll be discussing on the fund transfer, how to transfer the funds to this global investing account. So we'll be covering up in details about how we can transfer the funds for the resident client as well as for NRIs as well, right? So with this, I would like to conclude this webinar. So thank you everyone for joining this webinar, and wish you all a Merry Christmas.